See, the weird thing is it's going that way, but those clouds right there going that way.
Look at the green color behind all these ones that are close
Oh yeah,
to us.
that's right. That's what you're talking about. Lightning. Somebody else on their house. It's a kid. Well, I can't see
I
anything.
think that
I used to do that when I was a kid.
wow,
was
this
that?
is pretty wild.
This is pretty scary. It's getting cold. It was 88 degrees on our way home from the grocery store.
Wow, looks like smoke over there. Right there, that looks like it's forming. Yeah, look at that. It looks like over there. It looks like it's forming.
Here?
Right over there.
There's a big thing of clouds down below. Yeah, it's rotating. It's really rotating. It says 81, but it's cool.
I was 84 about 10 minutes ago.
It's 81. And it was 88 when we left the store. Well, it's got 20 minutes. It's going to do anything.
The lightning going over there?
What? Get a couple more feet on myself.
Just be sure to put those back.
I mean those. I mean it.
I said put those back.
It's just